In this video, I'm going to explain the best way to sync Apple Health data with Home Assistant in 2026. To do this, we're going to be using an app called Health Bridge and Health Assistant Link. I will have a link to the GitHub linked below. Step one is once you are on the GitHub, scroll down and make sure to download the iOS app onto your iPhone. Once this is installed on your iPhone, go back to the GitHub and click on the Hacks link. This will take you to your Home Assistant where you can add the custom repository and install the app. Once you have installed the app from the Hacks repository, head into your integrations and add a new one. And here we'll search for Health Bridge. Tap on Health Bridge and then enter a secret token. This is something that you want to remember. For the purpose of this, I'm going to just use the word token. Once you have entered in your secret token, click submit and then click finish. Going back to the iPhone, opening up Health Assistant Link, and this is where we'll follow the onboarding setup. So accept all permissions, making sure to accept all of the health permissions to the health data you want to transfer. I'm going to do everything. Once you've accepted all the permissions, tap continue. And this is where you will select from the list of health data. It will pre-select a recommended amount for you, but you can select as many as you like. Once you've selected all the health data you want to sync, tap on next. In this location, if you have an external URL for your Home Assistant, this is where you will enter it. Below, you just enter your name, as well as the secret token we created earlier. For this example, I'm going to just use demo, and the token we made earlier was token. At this point, you can test the connection. It may prompt you to accept network permissions, and if it is successful, you can save and continue. Now you're set up, you'll be met by a subscriptions page. Every subscription comes with a 7-day free trial, and after that it is about $2 per month. After you've accepted this, it's recommended that you fully close and reopen the app, and now you are good to go. If you tap to sync, you'll be able to see the most recent data in your smart home. Once you have the iOS app set up, it is highly recommended that you install the Watch app as well. The Watch app enables even more regular background syncs. To do this, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your Watch app and tap on Install next to Health Assistant Watch. To have the optimal conditions, it's recommended to always make sure that that app on both the Watch and the phone is open in the background. But other than that, you should see fairly regular syncs every 30 minutes. If you notice the syncs become less regular, it's recommended just to fully close and reopen them apps. This is just a case of iOS prioritizing and deprioritizing the iOS app on the phone. And now you're finished. You can always go back into the Health Assistant Link app and add more metrics if you'd like, and there are always more being added into the app. If one that you want is not there, let me know and I can make sure to add it in for you. Thank you.